Today we'll explore what I call the holy trinity of Microsoft Fundamentals certifications: MS-900, SC-900, and AZ-900. These three certifications form the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to build a career in cloud, security, or infrastructure using Microsoft technologies. Whether you are a student, an IT professional looking to formalize your knowledge, these are your first steps into the Microsoft ecosystem. I'll share what each exam covers, how they help you in your job, what they cost, and tips to prepare. I'll also give examples from my own experience working in complex, hybrid environments where we combined on-premises infrastructure with modern Microsoft cloud services. Let's start with MS-900, Microsoft 365 Fundamentals. This certification focuses on the core concepts of Microsoft 365, collaboration, productivity, security, and compliance. It covers services like Teams, where people work together in chats and meetings, SharePoint for document management system, OneDrive for personal file storage, and Exchange for email and calendaring. You'll also learn the basics of device management with Intune, for example, how organizations keep devices secure, update policies, and ensure compliance. From my own experience, I worked in a company with hybrid infrastructure, Entra ID, ADDS, and both Azure IaaS and physical data centers. Microsoft 365 was essential. We had strict policies for devices, enforced compliance, and we leveraged tools like My-Access packages to manage who could request certain access rights. We also relied on SSPR, that self-service password reset, so users could solve common issues without IT help. MS-900 helps you see how all these pieces fit together. It gives you a map of the Microsoft productivity landscape and teaches you how to improve collaboration, while keeping data secure and users productive. Next is SC-900, Security, Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. This certification focuses on protecting your organization. You'll learn about identity concepts, like Entra ID, Microsoft's modern identity platform, and how to use features like multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and privileged identity management. SC-900 also covers Microsoft Defender, for endpoints, identity, cloud apps, and Microsoft Purview for compliance, data protection, and governance. In my role, conditional access was one of the most important tools. We ensured that no device could connect unless it was compliant, meaning it had the right security settings and updates. We also had elevated access requests, where admins could request temporary, just-in-time permissions to run apps or make changes, but all actions were audited. SC-900 teaches you the big picture of Microsoft's security philosophy. It prepares you for advanced certifications and helps you understand how identity, security, and compliance work together. Finally, we have AZ-900, Azure Fundamentals. This certification introduces you to cloud computing. You'll learn about the different cloud models: IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS, Platform as a Service, and SaaS, Software as a Service. AZ-900 covers core Azure services, virtual machines, storage, networking, databases, and tools for governance like Azure Policy and Cost Management. You'll also learn about the global Azure infrastructure, regions, availability zones, resource groups, and how they support scalability and reliability. In hybrid environments like ours, Azure helped us extend our data center securely to the cloud. We could quickly deploy virtual machines or storage in Azure, connect them to on-premises networks through VPNs, and apply consistent security policies. AZ-900 gives you a strong foundation to understand cloud concepts, costs, and security, and prepares you for deeper technical roles. Let's talk about costs and preparation. Each of these certifications costs between €69 and €89. Before booking your exam, I really encourage you to use the practice assessments on Microsoft Learn website. They're free, realistic, and they help you identify what you know and what you need to review. Another tip: explore the Microsoft Learn modules for each certification. They're interactive, and in some cases, you can even get free practice labs to test features directly in the cloud. So, together, MS-900, SC-900, and AZ-900 form what I call the holy trinity of Microsoft fundamentals. They give you a complete overview: productivity, security, and cloud. With these certifications, you can confidently start your Microsoft journey. They open doors to better jobs and to more advanced certifications like MD 102, SC MS-200, AZ-104, SC-300 and beyond. And more importantly, they help you add value in real-world environments, whether it's managing devices, protecting data, or building cloud solutions. I hope this helped you see the bigger picture. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which certification will you start with. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your certification journey. Before we wrap up, I want to share some of the best free resources that helped me prepare for these certifications, and that you can use too. Freecodecamp.org is an amazing platform with comprehensive, beginner-friendly tutorials on cloud computing, Microsoft technologies, and security fundamentals. On YouTube, one standout is John Saville Technical Training. His videos dive deep into concepts, often explaining complex topics clearly with demos and real-world examples. Using these resources, you can complement your official Microsoft Learn studies with varied explanations and practical walkthroughs, which is really helpful when preparing for the MS-900, SC-900, and AZ-900 exams.